All right, let's break down exactly what business analysis is. We're going to jump right in. You ever see a great idea totally flop as a business? Why does that happen? Well, that gap right there, that's where business analysis comes in. It's the bridge. So what is it really? It's all about finding needs and recommending solutions that actually deliver value. A business analyst, or BA, does a lot. They talk to clients, but also dive deep into data. Their job is huge. They spot problems, plan budgets, and figure out what the business really needs. Basically, everything a BA does boils down to 5 core activities. Let's take a look. And to get it all done, analysts have a whole toolkit of awesome techniques they use. First up is SWOT. It's a classic for a reason, weighing your strengths against outside threats. Then there's pestle analysis. This helps you scan the entire external business environment for big factors. Porter's 5 forces tells you how tough your industry is. Is it even worth competing in? With business process modeling, you literally draw out how work gets done to find those pesky bottlenecks. You'll also hear about Agile and Scrum. It's all about working flexibly and delivering value fast. Root cause analysis is basically detective work. You're digging past symptoms to find the real problem. And stakeholder mapping is key. You gotta know who's affected by a project and keep them happy. Okay, enough theory. Let's make this real. Imagine we're using all this to plan a coffee shop. First, you ask questions. Do people around here even want a good coffee shop? Is there a niche? Step 2 is collecting data. We'd survey people on what they like and scope out the competition. Now we analyze that data. Hey, competitors are slow. That means fast service is our big opportunity. So let's pop that into a SWOT analysis. Our unique recipes are a strength, but big chains are a threat. And that analysis gives us clear solutions. Train baristas for speed and hit social media to build hype. See, this is why BA matters so much. It's not just theory, it saves money and prevents failure. It's really a powerful way to make smart choices. So, what problem around you needs a BA? If you found this useful, do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe for more explainers like this.